So right now we're gonna get some stuff. I have to get that one thing for my other DIY. I think it's called basket. It's a basket that has netting so I can make a purse out of that. And also get some other stuff like get some more DIY stuff to go with my outfit. Cause I'm gonna steal my mom's purse. Don't tell her that. But yeah, on our way to find the basket. To be honest with you cuties, I was like going to Dollar Tree for one thing, but I ended up coming out with 2 different outfits, actually maybe 3. So I'm so happy about that because I started looking around and I'm like, maybe I should have been stuck on one thing. And I seen these eyelashes, I seen this shirt, I'm like, I can make a lot of things with that. I can make a whole outfit with that. Bye. Bye. Don't touch it while walking out.
And this is why he played baseball. However, Vaughn was never really good at school. He couldn't escape the life of violence around him, and he was eventually sucked into it. Vaughn was notorious for stealing bikes, various times, amongst other crimes that saw him since juvenile detention.
We're gonna sell this. First David. Today I'm making another Dollar Tree outfit. And it is Vlogmas season, so I'm so excited, happy, because we're in Vlogmas week or month, whatever you guys want to call it. We're in Vlogmas. So here, before we get started in the DIY, I'm gonna show you a quick outfit tour. So I got my corduroy skirt, I have my black high heel boots, combat boots, and I'm wearing this cute Be a Good Human sweater. And I got my hair up, pinned up in a ponytail. I'm super new to this wearing like wigs things because I'm not used to wearing wigs. I'm used to wearing my hair in braids, in twists, and any other styles other than put my hair up in a wig. So this is kind of new to me, so I'm like trying to learn how to be more delicate with it. I'm still learning, but it's a process. So enough of all of that. I want to make sure you guys like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below, and let's get into this video right quick. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos. As you guys may know, I'm making a beautiful wrap skirt. Yes, a beautiful wrap skirt that's out of Bandanas. And before we get to the video, I want you guys to go check out Owl Pop DIY. Sorry if I'm butchering your name, I'm bad at names if you guys know about me. But also, I got my inspiration from Pinterest, and when I was scrolling through Pinterest, I actually found her. So that was like kind of like convenient for me. So go check her channel out. She has a full tutorial about how you DIY the skirt and how you make it. So I'm gonna pin my 3 bandanas together. And then once I finish pinning those together, I'm gonna end up taking them to the sewing machine and sew them up. Next, you're gonna need a long rectangle piece. Since we're working on bananas, we're gonna have to make our own long rectangle. So you're gonna need 2 of 13 centimeters, which is actually 5.5 inches. As you see, or 5 inches. You're gonna need 13 centimeters. Need 2 strips of these, but I already cut one out previously. So you're gonna need 13 centimeters of a long rectangle piece. So you're gonna need to cut out a second one. I already pre-cut mine, but cut another one out. And then you're gonna have 2 of these to make your waistband. So cut this one. Now we're on a 3rd step. We're gonna make ourselves a, you can make yourselves a ruffle. So you're gonna need to make yours, 20 centimeters long. But since I'm not making ruffles, I'm just going with a simple, clean look. So I'm just gonna make like a hem. So I'm using mine. I'm going at 8.19. So width is gonna be 19, but for length it's gonna be 300. So it can wrap around the whole edges in the bottom of your skirt. So when you like sew it, it's gonna be like kind of like cute hem line. So I'm just gonna cut, like I take my bandana, fold it in half, and now I just measure to 19. It's not through. Measure to 19. Right there, and then I'm just gonna cut this line out, and then we're gonna pin both of these like how we did the other things, pin them together, and then we're gonna sew that part, and then boom, got your hemline. So I'm gonna get started and cut this out. You're going to take a long string or fabric, whichever you choose or prefer, and I'm going to take, well, for me, I'm using shoelaces, and I'm going to take them and make sure they're at 75 centimeters, and I'm going to burn the tips off. Make sure you have adult supervision when working on fire and hot objects, because I'm not getting in any trouble with you guys. So make sure you're working this with an adult. If you're young, if you're older, make sure you still have someone supervising just in case. Now you're going to take your shoelace, you're going to put it on top of your waistband, and you're going to take it to one of the corners, and you're going to sew at least one of the strands of shoelace or fabric, whatever you choose, to it, and you're going to pin it, and then you're going to sew that in, and you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, cuties, now you're going to take your hem, you're going to pin it all along the line. Make sure everything is nicely folded. You can iron this on prior beforehand, and you're going to pin it, and you can use a straight stitch to sew it up. Cuties, now you're going to take your chalk, and you're going to draw out a half circle on one side of your bandana skirt. Okay, cuties, now you're going to cut it out. Now you're going to pin your hem to the good side of your skirt. Sew your top of your skirt with loose stitching. This is my favorite part. Now you're going to take one strand of your thread, and you're going to pull it, and you're also going to gently pull to the other side of the gathered fabric. So it can be out your way, and you can continue on, and make sure it's all lower up to the same size of your waistband. Almost there, guys. One more step. Now you can pin your waistband to your skirt. Make sure everything is evenly fit. If you need to adjust a little more, all you gotta do is just pull the strings of it before you put it inside the skirt and pin it. And also you pull the skirt so it can be able to fit in your waistband. Now it's all pinned, time to sew. Here is the final look. I had so much fun making this out for cuties. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And also go check out, I'm sorry, apologize again if I mess up your name, I Will Pop DIYs, and go check her channel out. I'll link her channel down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye cuties, Cutie out.